Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I am here in my university. I think those people who notice the background, I think they can understand this type of things. Here in our university, there are several types of small hill. So brother, what's your thinking about this type of natural weather?
Actually, in Bangladesh there are lots of area, but Comilla is a unique area, and in Comilla University we know it is located in beside Salbon and here lots of hill located to our university, and actually our university is constructed in upper levels of the hill and beside the hill. If you looking the soil of the hill, they are totally red, and it is also a special nature of this area.
Yes, this is actually exclusively available in this Comilla University area. So you can find natural beauty. I see many of my friends whenever they came to Comilla University at that time, when they visit, they say that okay, wow, bro, it's a very beautiful campus. So do you have any other friend who actually think about this or who compliment?
I have lots of friends in several university like Dhaka University. I'm a student of government science college. So I have a lot of friends in Dhaka. So when they come to Comilla, so they just amazing, and the see that our university campus is not very big, but the natural beauties of our university is very much they attract so much. So several times, especially in the winters, they come here and passing a lot of memories with us. So
that's actually true. We see here in our Bangladesh there are big campus, but the uniqueness here which is available here in Comilla University, I don't see such amount of uniqueness in other campus also. But there are some campus, obviously there are in every campus there are some unique things, but here in our Comilla University the unique thing is we have several types of hill.
If you can see the pictures front side of area, a lot of hills beside this, and the people who like hills, they love this campus. And if you see our field, lots of people, the students who have a lot of interest in cricket or any kinds of sports, they are passing their time, leisure time with
this is actually our Comilla University central field, and these students try to practice cricket here because after I think after some days
inter-department cricket tournament.
Inter-department cricket tournament will be held. That's why now they are practicing a lot.
Yeah, exactly. Every department has some different types of activities to their academic calendar. They have a rough schedule, but whenever in the time of winter, they try to spend a lot of time and they try to practice because they have no enough time. But whenever they pick some leisure time, they try to prepare themselves for the inter tournament. This is very much popular in our Comilla University, and as well as we are the students of pharmacy department. We just attend, but we have no goals for this.
Actually, our schedule is very tight, and we have to spend a lot of time in lab, in different types of exam, and we have a huge pressure about this. That's why our students, they are not such amount of active like other department. But here I see that I think you also see that our juniors, they try to practice
every time. When we are in the junior, we just try to play cricket, but we are now in 4th year, so we have not enough time to playing cricket. But I am personally very much interested in cricket, and I try to give some advice, and I try to join with my friends to playing cricket and encourage them.
Yeah, that's true. And another one thing is in
actually,
university.
I have some different opinions about cricket. Cricket is just not a game; it's an emotion. The person who are very much interested in cricket. So from this point, I am really very much interest to playing cricket and craziness about it,
It's actually the legacy in university. That is, every year, whenever a new batch entered, they actually try
Very much
to
active.
take this responsibility of different types of activities. Suppose they actually provide give flowers to the statue or to the Shohid Minar, and they arrange several types of events, and they
you know,
attend this type of competition. And
Yeah, exactly.
and whenever they achieve something special at the time, we all of the university, all of the seniors and our teachers, all of them try to praise them so that they can also attend
Encourage.
and
I just remember our first semester when in Victory Day or any kinds of government occasion, we just get together and enjoy the day. Very much courage. But when the days when the students of our department, they goes to the fourth year or fifth year, they have not enough time.
yes,
so
they are busy. That's why they don't get enough time to do such type of activities. But the university freshers, they have enough time. That's why
They take the responsibility,
they take the responsibility. It's one kind of legacy, or you can say it's one type of culture. So that's all about today's video. Those who are watching this video, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.